In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in Outlook, and we'll have it done in just about 5 minutes. Outlook, as many of you know, is a powerful email and calendar tool widely used in both professional and personal settings. Having a polished and up-to-date email signature not only looks professional, but it also imparts the right information to your contacts. Let's dive in and look at how you can enhance yours. So to start off, open Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by heading over to the Outlook website or opening your Outlook application if you're already set up. Keep an eye on the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign in button. Give that a click. Once you've done that, enter your email address and password to access your account. It's always a good idea to make sure your credentials are ready beforehand to avoid any hiccups. With Outlook open, the next step is to navigate to the Mail section. You'll see Mail in your options, usually located on the left panel. Click it to get to your email workspace. Now once you're in your mail area, look towards the top right corner again where you'll find a settings icon, usually represented by a gear wheel. Go ahead and click on that. From the settings drop down, search for an option labelled Account. Clicking on Account will lead you to another menu. Here, look for Signatures and select it. At this point, you're about to access the area where all your magic happens, editing your signature. In the edit signature box, you have the freedom to change your existing signature, whether you want to update contact details, change your font style, or add new information like a job title. This is where you'll make those changes. It's always helpful to preview your signature to ensure it maintains a clean and professional look. Remember, your signature can include text, images, your logo, or even social media icons if you so choose, but keep it simple for readability. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to save them. Having made all your adjustments, just hit the Save button, which you'll find on the same window. After saving, your updated signature will automatically appear in your emails when you compose new messages or reply to others. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your signature in Outlook. By following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring your emails reflect exactly what you want them to, presenting your information clearly to whomever you are contacting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips on refining your digital communication skills. See you in the next tutorial.